Is it true that success requires sacrifice? Well, kind of. Success does require sacrifice or replacement. There's so many hours in the day. We all have an equal playing field. And so why do some people accomplish more than others? It's priorities. It's not that they have generally other people don't have a secret weapon to success. It's just that they've defined what their goals are. That's the first step to success, right? Is what do you define as success? So once you define it, then you can pursue it. And once you're able to define it and you understand what you need to pursue, then you can understand what obstacles are in your way and you can reverse engineer how to get there. Once you understand the metaphorical puzzle pieces that are in front of you that you can start putting together to paint the complete picture of success, then you can start to prioritize the things that you do in your life. And the cliche example is, do you give up Netflix? Well, you may not need to give up things that you're passionate about, but that's the key. Can you define the things that you're passionate about? Because at some point you have to prioritize the things you want to accomplish versus the things that you do just because you're filling in time. Success does not necessarily require sacrifice, but it does require replacement.